Welcome to AGN Steno Classes. Lesson start 38. Instruction regarding writing of QRS were circulated, wherein it was inter alia mentioned that under the system of self-initiation of QRS by the concerned officer, the officer to be reported upon immediately at the end of the financial year or earlier on his transfer from one assignment to the other should make available blank QR forms with informatory columns duly filled in by him to the reporting officer to enable him to initiate the report timely. Thereafter, it will be the sole responsibility of the reporting officer to ensure that the QR of his subordinate are written and forwarded to the next receiving authority immediately so that the same may reach the board secretariat secret cell by the end of May each year at the latest, but it has been that QRS are not written and sent to this office well in time, which result in the delay in finalization of cases of promotion, pension, etc. besides causing mental agony and financial hardship to the employees concerned para. While reiterating the above instructions, it is requested that whenever any reporting officer is transferred from one assignment to another while submitting his charge report, he should simultaneously submit all the QRS of his subordinates to his next higher authority so that no QR of an employee is left over unwritten. This should be ensured by the respective controlling officers that the charge report of an officer who is transferred is accepted only when he clears the QRS of all the subordinates who had worked under him para. Further, the officer to be reported upon while submitting his blank QR form with informatory columns duly filled in to his reporting officer in case of his period of report being less than 3 months should specifically indicate the reason. Therefore, because in some cases the period of reporting officers becomes less than 3 months or the officer to be reported upon is posted at a particular station for a period of less than 3 months per as enjoined in the instruction regarding confidential reports circulated recently, a certificate should be furnished during the month of May each year by all the officer to their next higher authorities concerned to the effect that annual confidential reports for the financial year have been written in case of all employees in their respective section, division, circles, or zones. Para close.